Hello everyone, in this video I will explain about the fundamental of taxation. What is tax? Understanding the foundational definition shapes how we engage with the tax system. From Prof. Dr. Raksmat Sumitro, tax is compulsory contribution to the state treasury by law, without direct return and used for public expense and national development. Indonesian Law Number 16 2009, tax is a mandatory contribution by individuals or entities enforced by law without direct compensation for the greatest public welfare. Key characteristic mandatory payment flowing to state treasury, legal foundation and enforcement mechanism, no direct service or goods provided in return, funds essential public service and infrastructure. Purpose and function of taxation. Tax serve multiple critical roles in building a stable, equi- equitable economy. First is budgetary function. Tax directly fund government operation, public service and infrastructure, education and healthcare system. Regulatory function. Tax influence economic behavior through incentive and disincentive, encouraging desired activities and discouraging harmful ones. Redistribution. Progressive tax system help reduce income inequality and promote social equity across different economic strata. Stabilization. Tax support economic stability during cycles, promoting sustainable growth and managing inflationary pressure. Core principle of taxation. First, quality. Second, certainty. Third, convenience. And the last one, economy. Indonesian tax legal hierarchy. The first, constitution is Undang-Undang Dasar. Second, laws is undang-undang. Government regulation, its meaning is peraturan pemerintah. Fourth, presidential decrees or biasa kita sebut sebagai keputusan presiden. And the last one, finance ministry and tax authority. The meaning is peraturan dirjen pajak. Taxpayer types and obligation. First, tax subject include individual taxpayer, business entities like PT, CV, and partnership. Third, undivided inheritance. And fourth, permanent establishment. Core responsibilities, self-assessment registration. Second, obtaining NPWP tax ID number. Third, filing accurate tax returns. And fourth, timely payment of tax due. Common types of tax in Indonesia. First, income tax, or we say PPH, covers employee withholding PPH Pasal 21, corporate income tax, and final tax for small business and specific transaction. Second is value add tax, or we say PPN, change on goods and service supplied by registered taxable entrepreneurs, typically at 11% or specific rates. Third is land and building tax, or we say PBB atau pajak bumi dan bangunan, an annual property-based tax on land and building ownership and utilization throughout Indonesia. The last one is luxury goods tax, or PPNBM, applied to specific luxury goods and vehicles to regulate consumption and generate revenue from high-value purchases. The self-assessment system. First, calculate your tax. Determine taxable income and computate tax liability based on applicable rates and professions. Second, file tax returns. Submit annual SPT tahunan and periodic SPT masa returns electronically via DGP online or core tax system. And then, make payments. Pay tax amount through authorized bank or digital channels with proper documentation and proof. Last one, maintain records. Keep detailed records and supporting documents for audit trails and compliance verification purposes. Recent regulatory updates. Exchange rates decrease. Ministry of Finance decrease 13, 14, 15 MK KF for 2025 establish foreign exchange rates for custom duties, VAT, luxury good tax, and income tax calculation. Regulatory harmonization. Ongoing alignment of tax regulation across government agencies to eliminate conflicts, reduce ambiguity, and enhance compliance clarity. Digital advancement. Emphasis on digitalization of tax process, online filing requirement, and enhanced transparency through technology platform and real-time report. Why understanding tax basic matters? First, national development. Tax one infrastructure, education, healthcare, and essential services that build a stronger nation. Second, compliance and protection. Knowing rights and obligations ensures timely compliance and protects against penalties and legal issues. Third, system evolution. Indonesian tax framework continuously improve through technology and regulatory updates. Fourth, the last one is fair contribution. Understanding the system empowers youth to contribute fairly and benefit fully from collective prosperity. So that's all about my video and explain about what is tax and taxes. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.